Can you make money on YouTube? Absolutely, and I'm currently working on my third monetizable YouTube channel, which, as you can see by the numbers, is growing quite quickly. And really, I only got serious with this channel a few months ago. So that's how this YouTube game works. You find a niche, create content, and build an audience. Finding a YouTube niche. If you focus on a popular niche people are actually searching for, starting a YouTube channel will be so much easier. I use Google Trends to check on potential channel ideas that I'm interested in. For instance, this is a bad niche because it's only popular certain times of the year, which means you need to find ideas for your channel for those other 10 months of the year when people aren't searching for the content you make. So if you find a niche that already has a steady audience, it's time to write down some ideas. Creating YouTube content. So before you get started creating content, try writing down 50 ideas on your niche topic. If you can't, then maybe find another niche to work on, because you'll need plenty of ideas to work with, and it's likely you'll need to create a heap of videos before your channel really starts to take off. And the popular types of content on YouTube are 1. Product reviews, 2. How-to videos, 3. Vlogs, 4. Gaming videos, 5. Comedy, 6. Haul videos, 7. Challenge videos, 8. Educational videos, 9. Unboxing videos, and 10. Kids videos. Now you can use one or many of these ideas for your channel, but the tip here is to get good at one before introducing another. And it's best to see what your competition is doing that works best in your niche. Then get started and create some content. Getting subscribers. In order for your channel to work, it needs subscribers that are willing to regularly watch your content. And as a small YouTuber, the best way to get these is to bring them over from another platform or find them yourself. Yeah, it's tough to get started and find that first 100 subs, but here's my tip. Make a few videos first before you spend the time looking for the audience, because no one wants to subscribe to a channel that only has one video. Then, when you have a few videos, you can showcase your channel and start finding that audience. Sub for sub doesn't really help, but regular commenting on small channels will. I like to use the YouTube filter tab, and by selecting today, you'll find out who's regularly posting content for that niche. Then focus on the smaller channels with less than 1,000 subs and comment on their videos. It's the easiest way to get noticed on YouTube, and smaller YouTubers really appreciate the interaction. Then rinse and repeat. And try to be active every day. Also, make sure you reply to any comments on your videos, because those people could be your first superfans. One final tip, just keep going. Yeah, most YouTubers don't even reach the 1,000 subs and 4 hours watch time they need to monetize a channel. Often they give up before reaching their goals. So set yourself a goal to monetize your channel before giving up on your dream, and the experience you gain along the way will be invaluable. So it's still possible to make money on YouTube. And trust me, it gets easier the longer you do this. Anyway, if you want me to go more in depth on how to make YouTube content, then let me know in the comments below. And please like and subscribe. So until next time, it's bye for now.